Dear Response, welcome to my channel. This is a model question paper 2, mechanical engineering, concepts of mechanical engineering, 10 marks question, remaining 2 questions. In this 4th and 5th question, I'm going to upload this video. Explain the nomenclature of twist drill and its significance in drilling operation. Nomenclature of twist drilling. So it's consisting of different parts, and we are going to learn each part how it will be worked. The first one is an shank. It is a where it is held in drill machine. There's a two types of shank. One is a straight shank and tapering shot. It will where it is provide a grip and power transmission, where you have to provide a grip and power transmission. Coming to the body, so it is a main working part of the drill. It contains flutes and cutting edges. Next will be an flutes. It is a helical grooves along with the body. What's the function of this? It will be remove chips and allow cutting the fluid flow. Help to smooth the drilling. Next is a cutting edge or lips, we can call it as. It is having a two sharp edges at the tip. What is the perform? It is actual cutting the material. Okay, cutting of the materials. It must have symmetrical for accuracy holes. Next is chisel head or dead center. It is located center of the drill point. Okay, it does not cut but only push the materials required. It will require for more force. Next is an point angle. It is an angle between a two cutting edge, usually 118 degree we are preferring. It will be affected cutting efficiency and tool life. XC angle, and the angle of the flutes typically 20 to 30 degree. Okay, it is influenced by remove chips and cutting actions. And next is a land or margin. It is a narrow surface along with the flat, and it maintain a drill alignment and hole accuracy. Coming to the next ninth one is a web which is a center core of the drill. It provides the strength to the tool. And 10th one is an heel. It is a portion behind the cutting edge. It provides a clearance to avoid the rubbing. So coming to the significance of drilling operation, what are the significance of drilling? The first one, accurate hole size. It will give a proper lip geometry, ensure the precision. Next is the efficiency of cutting. It will give a correct point angle, reduce cutting force. And chip removal. It a fault provide a clogging and overheating. And tool strength, it will give a web thickness, avoid the brokerage. And next will be a surface finish. It will be maintained as a smooth hole surface and reduce wear, proper angle, increasing the tool life, and less power consumption. Here we have to use a sharp cutting edges to reduce the effort. The next fifth question is describe the classification of the lathe machines. Which type of the lathe prefer for machining large work pieces? Why? We can classify lathe machine. This is the classification. We can classify the lathe machine based on the construction, operation, and application. The first one is a speed lathe. It is a simple construction, no gearbox. It is having high handle, spin handle, high spindle speed, and which we can use it for wood turning and polishing, spinning. Next will be an engine lathe or center lathe. One more name, we call it as a center lathe. It is we can use it for common type we are using. It having a gearbox, lead screw, feed mechanism, and which we can use it for general machine operation where you can use. Next is a bench lathe. It is having a small size and mounted on a workbench. We can use it for light and precision works we are use. Next will be a tool room lathe. It is having high precision lathe equipped with accessories. Will be an collet and attachment, and we can use it for room temperature accurate jobs. Next is capstan and turret lathe. It will be it is used for production lathe. which we can use. Yeah, what are the material? It is the multiple tools mounted on turret, and which you can suitable for mass production. Next will be an automatic lathe, which we can use it for. It is operated by fully automatic. Name only indicate it is have a high producing rate. Production rate will be an high, and it will we can use it for this lathe for industries for repetitive work. Next will be a special purpose lathe. So name only indicates which we can use it for designed specified jobs. Example wheel lathe and crankshaft lathe. Okay. Next, one CNC lathe. It is a computer controlled machine. It is a computer controlled machine. It will give high accuracy and automation. We can it will be started with automatically, and which we can use it for complex and precious component. Next, here we are going to use a lathe prefer for machining long workpieces. We are recommended central lathe or engine lathe type with a tile stock support. This type of lathe we are recommended. So what is the reason behind we have to recommend this? The reasons here: tile stock support prevent bending long workpiece, and it provide a better alignment and stability, and you can use it for steady rest and follow rest in extra support. It is suitable for long shaft and making a long shaft and rods, and it will give a good accuracy and smooth machining. So this lathe we can use. So if the content is useful, please subscribe my channel and share and support. Please watch until the end of the my video. Thank you.